What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Letitia, and on this channel we do a lot of home decor, DIYs, some lifestyle in vlogs and stuff like that, as well as a little bit of beauty every now and then. So you guys know that Christmas is fast approaching. All the stores are ready very early this year, and I'm very tempted to also get started on my Christmas decor, but I'm trying to hold out until after Thanksgiving. So have you guys already started decorating for Christmas, or are you like me and you're trying to hold out until after Thanksgiving? I know it is so tempting seeing all the beautiful Christmas decors in the stores. I am just already ready. It is setting the mood for me, and I am just here for it. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 tips that I've accumulated over the years and decorating my own tree, and some things that you can do to enhance the look of your tree, especially if it is a tree that's on a budget, aka cheap, and you want to make it look a lot more luxurious or very fuller, more taller and stuff like that. So if you're interested in hearing my little tips and tricks, then keep on watching. Tip number 1 is fluff your tree. I know you guys hear this all the time, but it is the truth. Leave no branches untouched. So what I like to do is when I'm fluffing my tree, I fluff it as I build it, or I fluff each section separately and then I build the tree. What this helps with is eliminating a lot of that irritation on the skin that the tree causes when you touch it. And you're also able to reach a lot of the branches that you're not usually able to reach when the tree is already assembled. Tip number 2 is all about how to make your tree appear much taller than it actually is. A lot of us are on a budget, including myself. So I can't go out there and buy a 10 or a 12-foot tree or even an 8-foot tree. Most of us buy the 6, the 7, or the 5-foot tree, and sometimes even smaller. But what you can do to make it appear much taller is you can add it onto crates or a small table, depending on how much extra height that you need. And go ahead and make it look nice and discreet by adding the skirt and tucking those presents nice and tightly so persons can't see that you actually elevated the tree by adding crates or a table. One more thing that you can actually do to make the tree appear much taller is go all out with that topper. Add flowers and stems and make it as tall as you would like to have it, depending on how much additional height you would like to see on your tree. Tip number 3 is all about how to make your tree appear fuller than it actually is. Now, a lot of persons do like a thinner tree, but me, myself, personally, I like my tree to be a lot fuller and thicker and, a healthy looking tree, a lot like me. She got to be a thick girl. So if that's what you're aiming for, what you can actually do is add some fillers in the tree. You can use sprigs, you can use some florals, you can use some picks, whatever you want to use. Those beautiful stems, you can use that to make the tree look fuller. You can also use really large ornaments inside the tree, and this can fill in a lot of those gaps that might be inside the tree. Tip number 4 is all about your lighting. Now, a lot of trees nowadays come pre-lit. Unfortunately, I don't have a pre-lit tree. So if you're like me, what I like to do or what I recommend, and I also have this in my last Christmas video, if you want to watch that, how I decorated my Christmas tree. What I like to do is I weave my lighting onto every branch, and I make sure that I get the very deep inner part of my Christmas tree, and this gives the tree a lot more dimension, as well as it makes it look like a pre-lit tree. You can also go ahead and add different size lighting on your tree, as well as ornaments that have lighting on it, and this gives the tree a lot of dimension as well. And last but not least is add your statement pieces and really large ornaments first. This includes your ribbon. So after you've already added the lighting onto your tree, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and add those really large statement pieces and your ribbon. I find that this helps with the flow of the ornaments as well as filling in the gaps that may be on the tree or those sparse spaces that you may have on your tree. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, as well as a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video, which just may be me decorating. So I'll see you guys later. Until then, cheers.